Good evening, everyone. I am coming to you from Camp McDowell. Welcome, first of all. I know I should have done this earlier, but it's later on in the evening. This is day one, and a few of the sites that I have shown, I hope you enjoyed them. Can't do a whole bunch for real, because it ain't no signal out here, but I'm doing the best I can with what I got. So, I hope y'all enjoy this little video that I'm going to do for y'all. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. Rob All Banks, still Rob All Banks, out here in Camp McDowell, out here in Winston County, Alabama. Yeah, so shout out Winston County. We up here in your city, and we just hope y'all enjoy the video. Check out some more scenes of what we got going on out here, and hey, y'all enjoy it.
Good tip, guys. We'll sort out.
Yep, that's them. Look.
They don't bite, dude.
Nah. We got a real large swimming pool, y'all. Let me get some before she. Look at this. Wow. And we're walking on the trail to the bridge. Let's go. Okay, I don't know what you call these kind of caves, but you know, be something up in here like a snake or something. And then you can see down there water. We're getting close to the bridge. And as you see, we are on the narrow, super narrow steps heading to the bridge. All right. Hopefully nobody falls in, nobody drops nothing. We'll make it safe and securely across. This is what we are about to do. See how nervous. You hear how they're so nervous. This is where we canoed that last time, I remember. Well, the last time I was here. Got your boy on the bridge going across, baby. Then I can put the phone in the pocket so I won't drop it. And this is this side. And this is this side. And as you can see, I'm almost cross, but this is this way. So here we go. And this is under the bridge. I see y'all see why I'm focusing so much on the bridge. Oh, well, it's nice. Walked all the way across. Bam. And we're walking again. Let's go. Okay. But y'all can see this drought is serious, y'all. That water used to be down there. It ain't there no more. And wow, look at this. Awesome. I should make this into a short. But moving right along. Woo! I'm tired, but I'm still going. Look at all of this. More to come. Woo! See if we can hear the sounds of the water. A little closer to the creek, y'all can hear. Y'all hear the water. And we're moving.
Log is something that obviously, look how much you've grown on this log. Look how much you've nursing so many different baby plants. Logs that just fall down and decomposing and bugs too, but
Dang, and as y'all can see on this hike right here, man, we have discovered a lot of stuff. I like this. Look at this. This reminds you of a movie scene, don't it? Too bad I can't cross over there. Brother walking in the woods at night. Y'all pray. All right, y'all see what we about to do. Pray for us.
It has come down a lot since this afternoon. It's still hot, don't get me wrong, but can't deny the view with the partial sunset over this land.
What's up, my goats? My G's. Goats at night, y'all. Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.